For me, FarmaVita stands out from any other brand in the market. Number one, because of the price point, and number two, because it's so versatile. I don't need to bring in lots of brands into, like, tributary families into my salon. I can pick one tributary out of the collection and I can go from semi-permanent to permanent. So it cuts my price point down. Also, the shine is number one. If you put FarmaVita under lights against any other colour, it's going to win. End of. And what we want when we're hairdressing is for a client to look in the mirror and see the shine. People assimilate shine with health, and that's what we want.